Students of UP Board Class 10th English Reader, today our topic is Chapter 2 A Letter to God, that is written by G.L. Fluents. In this English medium lecture 4, we will come to know what happened when Lenchu wrote a letter to God. You know why he wrote the letter? Because his crop was totally destroyed and he was very much worried what would happen to him throughout the year. That's why he wanted help from God and he do all this. He wrote his problems on a paper. He put it in the envelope in form of a letter, and on the envelope, let's see what did he do. He wrote to God, means in the place of address he wrote to God on the envelope. Put the letter inside. I have already told you. Still troubled, he was still worried. It means he was worried just at the moment he wrote the letter. He wrote the address. He went to the town. At the post office. He placed a stamp. You know, when we post a letter, we place a stamp on the envelope, and he did the same and dropped it into the mailbox, and he put it into the mailbox. One of the employees, who was a postman and also helped at the post office, means there was a postman who worked in that post office, and that man also helped Lenchu in posting his letter. When Lenchu had posted his letter, he went there to take the letters. He sorted out the letters. Sorted out means he selected the letters according to the addresses and cities. When he found the letter, he went to his boss. Laughing heartily. Laughing heartily means laughing very much. He showed him the letter to God, because he never in his career as a postman had he known that address. Means he had never come across such a letter on which it was written to God. It was very amazing and surprising address for that postman. Now we would see the reaction of the postmaster. Postmaster, who was a fat and amiable fellow. Amiable means a very friendly person, broke out laughing. He began to laugh, but almost immediately, but all of a sudden he turned serious. He became serious and tapping the letter on his desk, and he began to tap, means putting his hand again and again on the desk, and commented, means and said. Means when he saw the letter, the postmaster saw the letter, he began to laugh, but just after it he became serious and commented, what faith. It means the postmaster was very impressed with the faith of the writer who wrote this letter to God. He said, I wish I had the faith of the man who wrote this letter. He wished to have such a faith in God, starting up a correspondence with God, and he also wanted to have this faith like the person who started writing letters with the address to God. So in order to shake the writer's faith in God, the postmaster wanted to test the faith of the writer. The postmaster came up with an idea. The postmaster thought an idea, answered the letter. Means he wanted to check the faith of the writer. So he decided to write answer to the letter, that he will give the answer to the writer of the letter. But when he opened it, it was evident that to answer it needed something more than goodwill. Goodwill means work of goodness, work of charity, ink and paper. Means something more was required in replying the letter. That was more than goodness, ink and paper. But he stuck to his resolution, means but he followed his thought, and he did not retreat from his resolution and from determination. He asked for money from the employees. I would like to tell you that It was written in the letter, Lenchu needed 100 pesos. I mean that other than ink, paper and goodwill, the postmaster will have to put 100 pesos with this answer. So it was difficult for him. In this way, he obliged his employees, the persons who were working in the post office. He himself gave a part of his salary, and several friends of his were obliged to give something for an act of charity. Means he tried to collect the charity. He tried to collect the charity from his fellows and companions and colleagues, and in this way he collected a little part of this. It was impossible for him to gather the 100 pesos. It was difficult for the postmaster to collect 100 pesos. So by obliging his friends and employees, he was able to send the farmer only a little more than half. Means he was able to collect 70 pesos. That was more than half, because he was not able to collect 100 pesos. He put the money in an envelope addressed to Lenchu. Means he wrote the address of Lenchu. In the name of address, he wrote only to Lenchu, and with them a letter more than half, or with that letter he put that money which was more than half of the requirement. He put the money in an envelope addressed to Lenchu, and with them a letter containing only single word as a signature of God. And with that money the postmaster put a letter, and there was only a letter, or in that letter there was written only a word God. It means it was in form of a signature, just as everything was sent by God. Students, you will come to know, you will study the next part in the next lecture. Thanks.